Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our wellness planners for the next week in September. And I've got these stat stickers and habit trackers I made on my computer. These washi tapes I may use. These chalk inks and blending brush. These stickers I got from Stationery Pal. And this sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper to start off. I'm just going to, quickly figure out what I have here in these Stationery Pal stickers to begin with, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to use them. I grabbed a Van Gogh washi tape set a few months ago, actually back in like Black Friday. My Black Friday haul, and I've been really wanting to use those washi tapes in some kind of Van Gogh style spread. And then when I was looking over at Stationery Pal looking for some items, I saw these Van Gogh stickers, so I thought it would be perfect to bring them in and just do a whole Starry Night themed spread. So that's the plan. I've already sorted out the stickers I think I want to use for this spread, and then I just went ahead and put the other ones away, save those for another time. And now I'm trying to work in some washi tape here to see how this might mix together with the washi tape and the stickers. So I've already put down some wide washi there, and I think I want to continue to use that style of washi. So I'm going to cut it down into thirds and try to use it here at the bottom, see how that looks. Since this is just like a sliver of the painting on a washi strip, it does cut in a certain blocky way, so I'm trying to figure out how to marry up some of the washi tapes together to make it look smooth and continuous. Also kind of playing around with the other stickers, seeing if I want to put those in the corners maybe. Just trying to figure out a nice way to bring these in. And then I thought I would try some of the other washi tapes layered in, but I think it's just going to be a little too much. The painting itself is pretty busy, as you can see, so adding something that isn't exactly in that same texture and format might be distracting. So we're going to stick with just this one flat washi tape, I think, and try to make that work. Also trying to figure out how I'm going to put these stat stickers in. This is the last set of stat stickers that I have in my stash, so I wasn't sure if I really wanted to use them, but I think they're going to work out okay. There's that tall black tower there in the painting, so I think that will help tie in the black. I'm also going to pull some boxes from the Wellness Warrior sticker book, and they're in a like navy blue tone, which isn't the exact same blue I would say that's in the painting, but there's lots of shades within the styling, so I think that this blue will work okay with the rest of the stickers and just kind of make it more about the blue tones versus that specific tonal shade of blue that's in the painting. And these stickers are kind of cool, but I wasn't really sure how to incorporate them. They have a white border, so it's a little bit, I don't know. I like them for sure, but just trying to incorporate them with their white border might be a little bit awkward, so I figured it'd be better just to layer them in and make that the decor versus trying to do something with them together in one thing. That I think will tend to work a little bit better. And then I'm playing around with the positioning of the washi tape, trying to figure out where best to place it. I liked it at the bottom, but I kind of want to see how it would look framing out this middle section. And I kind of like that. I like that it bumps into the stat stickers a little bit, since the box below is a little bit wider than, or taller than, the one at the top. So stat stickers, just fit in there with that extra bit of washi tape. And I'm back in that Wellness Warrior sticker book now, looking for maybe some other elements to add in. Maybe something here on Saturday, which is my rest day. Although I have been trying to get out and at least do a nice relaxed walk on Saturday just to keep moving. I'm definitely not moving enough, I think, to really make a dent in my fitness and health goals. So I've been trying to add in things little by little. My life has changed so much since I left the gym. It's just really hard to motivate without that gym atmosphere for me. I'm trying my best, but man, it's been an uphill battle ever since COVID and the pandemic hit. So I found a quote I thought worked well for that space. We'll see how that looks, and then I think I kind of know what I'm going to do here, so let's go ahead and get started with moving over the stickers. I'm going to start by whiting out the lines in these boxes up here where I'll be putting in most of the decor. I wasn't sure how much I should really white out since there is some overlap with washi tapes and what have you, but I'm just going to mainly white out this box here in the middle, and then I'll see if there's any other lines that really need a little bit of extra whiting out, and we'll go ahead and do that as well. And I'm just using a white opaque gel pen for this. There's a lot of different options. I prefer my Sakura Jelly Roll white pen with a 1-0 tip. That tends to work the best, I think, to cover the lines, at least on my printables, which are pretty fine. The lines are really nice and fine, and it just covers it pretty well in like one swipe. I used to use a 0.8 tip, and it was a little bit more coloring over the lines, if you will. So when I found the one, I thought that that was a really nice alternative. It really made it a little bit faster covering those lines. We're going to go ahead and lay in the washi to start. And I'm just going to use that wax paper to help me so that I don't stick it down crooked. And we'll trim it off, and then we'll go to the next page, kind of do the same thing. There is a seam, since it doesn't cover quite all the way across the page. So I will be covering that with this sticker here, this moon glow sticker, which I think looks really good actually. And then we'll drop in these habit trackers that I made. They're in subtle blue tones, so I thought that that would be really a good combination with this spread. So we'll just drop those in. And then figure out where I want to put this guy. Let's go ahead and drop in the washi tape first. I did kind of get amnesia on where I had placed this. I really wanted it to be dropped down a little bit into the stat stickers area. So when I aligned it, I actually aligned it to the top of the box instead of inset down into the box. I'll have to make that adjustment in a minute, but I figure it out before I get too far along on the other side. And since that also had a short kind of situation there, I'm going to use this tower sticker to hide the seam between those two washi tape edges. And now we'll move over to the next side, put that washi tape in as well. And then I remembered, oh yeah, I wanted it aligned to the top of the box, set in, not set on the box. So here's where I make that adjustment. And the stickers came up pretty easily, so that's good to know if you do buy these stickers from there. They are repositionable. Some stickers I've gotten from the Happy Planner are very permanent, and I used to think it was the paper, but I mean now I think it was just the type of glue they were using at the time, because they haven't really come across it so much in the newer books and in the older books, but like there was a time in the middle there where they were using stickers, and those books in particular really seemed to stick harder down to the paper. So I think that they made an adjustment on their glues, but yeah, I found that to be annoying when the stickers wouldn't move around, which led me to this whole wax paper planning type thing. And that's really just been where I've lived ever since, so that I don't really mess up the stickers that much in the paper, just in case there is, you know, washi tape and the same thing with the harder kind of permanent glue, and the same with the stickers. So I have these inks here. They're chalk inks from Versa Chalk, I think is the brand name. And I just thought it would be nice to have a little bit of a background added in to kind of give those feels of the painting, the Starry Night painting. So I'm just going to do some muddling here with the two inks, keeping it fairly light as far as the touch. But I'm going to put a little background of yellow, since there is some yellow in the painting, but mainly focus in on the blue and just work that in and around the middle section there where I'm going to be putting in the boxes. And then I changed my mind on this. I was going to put that quote over there on the rest day, but I think I just wanted to put it there on the sidebar. I normally put goals and things into the sidebar, but I've been so, I don't know, just unfocused that the goals really aren't helping me right now. I need to really find it deep in my soul to get what I need to get done. So we'll just leave it as is with that quote, and hopefully that'll be enough to spark some fire in me to do something. I don't know. We shall see. So I am going to rearrange a few things here just to make it a little bit easier to fit in all the boxes. And we'll drop in the rest of these on this side. I didn't unback the stickers when they were on the wax paper, so I'm just doing that as I go. And we are dropping in this one here. Like I said, I'm kind of reworking it a little bit now that I'm getting it here on the page. And I think that'll work. Just leave it like that for now. I'm just using a utility knife to pick up the washi tape a little bit so I can tuck those stickers underneath. And sometimes when I start to pick it up, it pulls up the page, so that's when I usually will pivot and do something else to try to get the washi tape up. And then I really like this little extra bit of yellow, so I'm just going to put in these flags here to note where I'll be tracking my total points for the week. It's the last week or two that I'll probably be doing Weight Watchers. I was going to cancel back in August, but they offered me a free month, so what are you going to do? Gotta get my free month in. But I'll probably be going back to just tracking calories, and I think I need to really maybe dial in my meal plan a little bit better anyway. do some more work on like macros and actually meal prep, that kind of stuff. That's really been lacking the last few months, so I think that will help get everything on track again. I just need to do it. Just need to do it. A friend of mine is getting her act together, so it helps to have some motivation from somebody else. So yeah, I'm hoping that that's gonna give me that push that I need to finish out the year on a good note and make some progress with my health goals. So I decided to border the bottom there with some more washi tape just to kind of continue on that blue feel. I really like that. All I really need to do now is to clean out the holes, and once I am done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we will see you next time. Bye!